Welcome back to Shift Films. I'm Dallas. Today we're going to be replacing my bumper brackets on the Fit. The bracket is up in here below the headlights. That's what we're going to replace. And also welcome back to part 2 of
You missed that one. Try another.
Of her messing with me. So under here you usually got a screw. Mine doesn't. It's gone. So I just pull mine out. I just have to take off all the little body panels, clips, whatever you call them. That's all you do is just take it out. Here. I'm just gonna pry them up. Actually, you can see a little bit better right here. There's 2 broken right here, one right here, and there's one right here. That one's so broken, but you just pry up and it matches in these holes. And this is the bracket we're gonna be replacing because, yeah, low and slow problems, right? Now they're like the sand people from Star Wars.
Man, this is the worst job I've had since I was the conductor for the Sand People Choir. And a 1 and a 2.
Also, look, my fender well is gone. That was the first time I loaded it, and I actually tried to go through a car wash, and it ripped completely. And I was on the way to import face off. That was a fun time. There's only 2 bolts, one right here and one right here. Kind of under this. There's actually one more right here. It's directly under here. Want to bet?
What do you think it is?
It's either a 10 or a 12. Oh, 10. First try.
I got motion, not a dime shield, quarter shield token.
So there's 2 different types of bolts. There's these small little black ones, and there is a longer silver bolt. The only difference between these is the silver bolt goes in the side right here.
Uh-oh, what? Oh, you lost the bolt.
Uh-oh.
Don't forget to take the sticker off.
What?
Because it doesn't make it go faster. No, it doesn't.
Fast and Furious taught us well.
That's why they ended. So the sticker doesn't make it go faster.
Yeah, it does.
You just proved it wrong. You just proved it wrong.
Look. Remember, this one goes in the side. Don't mix it up. So always start your screws by hand. There's a couple different little pegs that you kind of got to match it up with. Once you get it in there, it's usually pretty easy. Just peg
Just
there.
in the hole.
And gosh, peg there. And it kind of holds itself in place until you put the screws in. Okay. Ah, that's not 10 horsepower. Oh, I'm gonna put that one. Oh, okay, we're good. I thought I put that one on there.
It's okay. It could probably help them.
Stop. I'm doing this in another video. I got a lot of parts that I'm gaining and collecting because that mud is not going to be in there anymore. It's going to take a couple years because I don't get paid enough for all this. But so please subscribe so I can get some more money because I need to make money. Oh, you saw that form? But I've been driving this daily, and don't worry, it's getting washed tomorrow.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
You know that 10 horsepower? That's why I have to have such fat tires. You're gonna really keep my grip there. 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, and 1 bolt there. Tighten it up, don't over tighten it. You over tighten it, you kind of screwed. Good luck. But it doesn't need much tightness. There you go. All right, everything is bolted on. Put this in. Gotta work with it a little bit to nagle it. All right, after all clipped in, she's good to go. Now we're gonna put the push pins back in here, put it all back together. Thanks for watching, that's the end of it, and stay tuned for next month's episode.